Hello guys, review HMD Pulse Pro. This version 6GB memory and 128GB internal memory. Open box and look completion. We have device in the green color. Okay. On this we have only cable Type-C for USB. Sorry, Type-C to Type-C. Okay. Without adapter for charging. Poor completion. We have, okay, double camera on the back side, on the front 6.5-inch display, IPS 90 Hz HD resolution display, power button and volume buttons on this side, downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Okay, Android 14 we have, clear Android, 5000 mAh battery, spread room Unisoc T606 and GPU Mali G57. Look, Geekbench 6 results, single core score and multi-core score, and Antutu benchmark results. Okay, close this. Okay, now open PUBG Mobile. PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level and works good on this device. Okay. Open camera. We have camera 50 plus 2 megapixels. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.